Okay, so what we're looking at is my platform, my brokerage platform, which is Traders Way. Um, and I don't know how good you guys can see this. So I'm going to be zooming in because from what I'm looking at is not all of that clear on what I want to get at and what my one of my strategies are and what you're looking at. Okay, so when I go to point out what you're looking at, okay, this is my graph bar. This is my bar right here. The white lines are the bearish. The green, the black lines that's highlighted in green around it. Those are my bull. Okay, so let's take a look at what I'm doing right now and what my strategy is. See, I'm looking at where it last hit its peak, which is right here. See that? See that candlestick? That upside down candlestick? See, it's like I got the low block at the bottom and that long line going up above, which is at about 8.6 about 8.8685 pips or points as we some people call it pips, so I just call them points. And right now it's at 87592 points or pips, which is about 1,000 is about almost 1,000 point spread. And what I'm looking at here is where I am right now, and you see it's just kind of got these little candlesticks going across. They just going straight across. It's really not going up or down, straight across. So it's trending when it's doing this. It's trending. See, it's just going straight across. See how it dipped right here. See how it dipped right there, and then go right. But see how it trend before, and see before that. See it dipped, and then it started trending again, and then it dipped again, and then it started trending, and now it dipped a little bit, and then it dipped again down here, and now it's trending out. And so with that tells me that this is either gonna go up or down, and a lot of times it's gonna go up because it's already down 1,000 points. Okay, so that's my first indicator, and and so therefore I'm keeping an eye on this particular market right here on this signal, you know. So to help strategize my play on this signal, let's take a look at one of the most notable ones that you see, which is on my grid right here, my bar graph, is this red line that you see, and that's called my moving average. So you go to your indicator and put in moving average. I don't deal with no Fibonacci's and all of that stuff. This is all just applying my common knowledge and wisdom, because one of the most cardinal rules that my mentor told me is don't get your emotions involved in dealing with this. When you start playing with your emotions, especially if you have money on the table, you put your bid in for at the asking price, you know what I'm saying. Just know that's what you're doing, and just hold fast to that. Believe in what you're doing, whether if you're bulling, you're buying or selling, bull or bearish. And see, let's take a look at when I say asking price and bid. And so I'm trying to focus this in a little bit, so it's hard for y'all to see. Okay, see, um, this is bid on the left side. That's where you bidding here, and this is the asking price on that bid. And you see it flipping back and forth, blue red. That means it's bulling and bearing and stuff. It's bullish and bearish. Okay, so the moving average, and that just kind of tells you the flow of this bar graph here on my grid. Okay, and now, so my second thing is, which is very important to me, to really let me know where where this signal might go is my RSI, relative strength index. And I'm trying to get this lens to focus in on these numbers, but it's not.